Hi, I'm Jason, founder of Go Outfitters, here to tell you about the Apex Camping Shelter 2.0 and optional Tarp Door Kit. We released the original Apex in 2016, and to this day, it's one of our best-selling products. We've made some major improvements to it while keeping all the features that made it so popular and highly rated. This versatile tarp is a high-quality weather shelter that will protect you and your gear from rain, wind, sun, and even snow. It's excellent for hammock camping, tarp camping, and as an all-purpose camping tarp or shade canopy. It's portable, lightweight, and it can be set up in countless modes to adapt to many scenarios and weather conditions. The optional Tarp Door Kit comes with 2 sets of doors that can help block wind and rain, as well as provide privacy at both ends of the tarp. Setting up the Apex can be a lot of fun. With 20 tie-out loops, this multi-purpose tarp gives you the freedom to get creative with setting up your shelter. With so many modes to choose from, you can quickly adapt it to your needs and the environment. Pitching this tarp is one of my favorite parts of camping. I feel a small sense of accomplishment after setting it up and adapting it to changing conditions. The Apex can be pitched in countless configurations. Here are just a few of the many setup modes possible with the Apex Camping Shelter 2.0. High and wide. This is a great mode when little to no rain is expected. In this mode, the tarp is pitched high and the full length of the guy ropes are used for maximum headroom and living space. Storm mode. The Apex is set up low and the corners are staked down tight to block rain and wind. Porch mode. For this popular mode, one or both sides of the tarp are propped up with trekking poles or found sticks. This mode provides a view, headroom, and a large dry living area. It can be quickly converted to storm mode if the weather changes. Single pole porch mode. Just like porch mode, except only one pole is used at the center tie-out loop. This mode gives extra space to move around, has a better view than storm mode, protects you from rain, and only requires one stick to set it up. This configuration can also be quickly converted to storm mode. Convertible mode. This mode can be used with many modes. Just remove the stakes from one side of the tarp, flip it over to the other side, and tie off the corners. This mode gives you a great view and ventilation, but you can quickly convert it to storm mode if rain rolls in. Sun canopy and rain shelter modes. The Apex Camping Shelter makes a great portable and compact shade canopy and rain shelter that you can take anywhere. You can use readily available tarp poles or found sticks to set up these modes even when there are no trees available. Offset mode. You can use any of the tie-out loops on the ends of the tarp to set it up off-center to block wind. The many tie-off loops at the ends make the Apex extremely versatile. A-frame tarp camping mode. Found sticks or trekking poles are used to set up a freestanding shelter. The 11-foot length provides lots of covered space. You can add found sticks or use long guy lines to create more ventilation, a better view, and more dry living area on rainy days. Single pole tarp camping mode. This mode requires only one pole to set up a freestanding shelter quickly and easily. This mode blocks wind from 3 directions. Cave mode. To set up this mode, tie one end of the tarp ridge line as high as you can reach on a tree, then stake out 2 corners on the tree end of the tarp, and then the corners and center on the other end. Storm mode with partially closed ends. The end tie-out points allow the tarp to be partially closed to add extra weather protection at the ends of the hammock. Storm mode with closed ends. This hammock camping mode can be useful when heavy rain and wind are expected and you really want to hunker down. With 20 tie-out loops, the only limitation of configurations is your imagination. Our Tarp Door Kit can be used with many of the modes above at one or both ends of the tarp. Here are a few of them. Now let's talk about the improvements featured in the Apex Camping Shelter 2.0. Extra waterproof coating. The Apex is made from our proven and time-tested high-strength 70D polyester fabric with durable polyurethane coating. For version 2.0, we've added an additional ultralight waterproof coating to the top side of the tarp for even more protection than the original version. The new coating makes water bead up and shed off the tarp. It absorbs less moisture than the original, and it dries super fast. Upgraded Rapid Deployment Bag. Version 2.0 includes a free Rapid Deployment Bag that has 2 openings, so it deploys fast like a parachute and packs up quick and easy. This is a major improvement over the original version that included a smaller, standard stuff sack. Stronger construction. Version 2.0 features extra reinforcements at the 20 tie-out loops to ensure that it will serve you for years to come and handle whatever nature throws at it. The ridgeline seam has professionally installed waterproof seam tape, so there's no need for you to waste your time and money with messy seam sealers that are required with many other tarps. What's included? The Apex Camping Shelter 2.0 includes 6 stakes with 2 15-foot guy ropes with tensioners, 6 8-foot guy ropes with tensioners, a storage bag for the stakes and ropes, and a water-resistant rapid deployment bag. Optional Tarp Door Kit. Our Tarp Door Kit includes 2 sets of tarp doors, one for each end of the apex. The door kit is designed to increase protection from wind and rain blowing in from the ends of the tarp and to provide privacy. The doors allow you to set the apex up higher and wider than normal in rainy weather. Each kit includes 2 tarp doors, each with 7 line lock tensioners and side release buckles, 2 10-foot shock cords, 4 4-foot shock cords, plus 4 stakes and ropes. Each line lock has a side release buckle that makes setting up and opening and closing the door a breeze. After the initial setup, the door kit can be set up in just a few minutes by simply connecting the side release buckles. I think after you try out the Apex, it'll become an essential piece of your outdoor gear. So please, order your Apex Camping Shelter today and start planning your next camping trip. Because now more than ever, you owe it to yourself and your family to get outside where you belong.